guys, it's Jen, and today I wanted to share a brand new series on the channel called Cop It or Drop It. Basically, the idea is that I'm going to be sharing two very similar products and letting you guys know whether it's worth picking up or definitely passing on it. So today we have two different glitter masks that have been very, very popular. I've seen them all over social media. People are loving these. So I wanted to see for myself, are they worth it or not? And you know, with Cop It or Drop It, they might both be Cop Its, they might both be Drop Its. Let's go ahead and check it out and see for ourselves. On side one, we have Glamglow's #GlitterMask Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. And on side two, we have Too Faced Glow Job. This one is a black glitter mask. This is a pink one. We're gonna open these up, compare them, see what's going on here. First, let's talk packaging. The Glamglow one physically looks like a larger box. For the sizes, it looks like they're both about 1.7 ounces. This one technically says 1.69 ounces, this is 1.7. They basically have the same amount of product. In here, we have the actual package. It also comes with a little application brush. And for Too Faced, the whole box is just the product. But it's kind of funny because outside of the package, the Too Faced one looks quite a bit larger just because of the nature of the packaging. There's a lot of clear plastic that's around the actual tub. It seems like that's a little bit misleading. I'm gonna say in terms of packaging, I'm preferring the Too Faced. It just looks a little bit extra fancy, but I know Glamglow has their standard packaging for all of their masks. So just from the get-go, the claims of the Glamglow glitter mask is that it's a firming treatment. So this is going to tighten up your skin. The Too Faced is a radiance boosting glitter face mask. So they have slightly different goals, but I believe they're both peel off masks. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my makeup off, and put these on each side of my face. Getting my cat ears on my face. By the way, I don't usually use cleansing cloths, but when I do, this is my favorite one. This is the Kogendo Cleansing Spa Water. It is like next level. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link down below. As you can see, I just have so much pregnancy acne going on at the moment, so I'd love to be rid of that. Let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. Glamglow, we have this lid keeping everything in. It looks to be a little gooey, a little bit of a gel texture there, and I gotta say, I'm loving the little star glitter pieces. Very, very cute. Whoa. This actually has a nicer smell than I thought it would. Their other masks, I believe, also smell the same way, but it's like a little bit fruity. It's almost like a powdery fruity scent. I'm also gonna try to really avoid my hairline and eyebrows since I'm pretty sure this is a peel off mask and I don't really want to rip out my hair. Forewarning, if you try this out, avoid your hair. All right, side one done. Now let's move on to the Too Faced Glow Job. For Too Faced, looks like the inside packaging has a little plastic lid. I suppose that probably helps it from getting dried out. I feel like this looks a little bit nicer than just like the metal peel off thing on the other mask. On the inside, the texture also looks pretty jelly, but the glitter inside is iridescent pink and has gold flecks. I believe this actually has real gold flecks in it. And it comes with this nifty little spatula. So this is what I'm going to use to apply this on the second half of my face. Ooh, that is really pretty. I thought it was going to be clearer, but it actually has a nice shimmer to it. Also, the spatula application, I recommend it. The spatulacation. I also forgot to mention this mask also has a bit of a scent to it as well. I want to say it's like a very light fruity scent, like maybe it's like an apple kind of scent. I believe they have apple extracts in this mask. Oh my gosh, that looks like a pink booger. Okay, now my face is properly glitterified, masked, and I am just blinging out the wazoo here. So I guess we're going to just wait for these to dry. Glamglow says to wait 20 to 30 minutes. The Glow Job says to wait 30. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and then we'll peel this baby off and see how it goes. Alright, we have waited the appropriate amount of time. This has dried completely on both sides. Truthfully, it feels the same. As it was drying down, I definitely had a cooling sensation, but they both felt very, very similar. So let's go ahead and peel this sucker off. That came off pretty easily. Not too bad. Not too many remnants on my face, just a little bit. I did apply it pretty thickly, so I think that might be why. I think everything is really clean. My skin, just first of all, it feels really soft and smooth, so I definitely see an immediate, instant gratification kind of feeling. And when I peeled it off, it didn't hurt, but again, I would definitely recommend avoiding your eyebrows and your hairline so you don't inadvertently end up pulling out any hairs. When I look really close, I feel like I can see the shape of lines on my face and any hairs that are on there. I don't think it actually pulled off the hairs, but you can definitely see the texture of your skin on the Too Faced side since it's a little more translucent. On the Glamglow side, because it's a little darker, you only really see it if you put it up to the light. But I just think it's kind of cool, like, you know, the reptile skin effect. I just shed my outer layer. Truthfully, feeling wise, I don't feel any difference from either side, but I do feel like my skin looks a little bit brighter than it did before. I feel like with a little brightness and a little softness and smoothness, it's definitely a good mask. And you know what? It kind of better because I was looking at the prices. Now, not to give y'all a heart attack, but here's how the pricing goes. Glamglow, $69. Glow Job, $42. So these are not the cheapest masks in the world, but if you're looking for a little something extra or even like a really amazing gift for someone else to just say, hey, be a unicorn, treat yourself, be a little glitter disco bomb, I can't fault the efficacy. You know, it feels fantastic and it did its job. So I'm really happy with the performance of it. I think this looks a little crazy. I have a new best friend, Wilson from Castaway. Should I just keep this? Keep it forever. So in conclusion, are we gonna cop it or are we gonna drop it? So because I didn't see too much difference in the feeling that it left my skin, I feel like these are pretty equal in terms of products. It's gonna come down to price. They're both a little bit pricey, but if I'm gonna have to choose one and they're working exactly the same, I'm gonna say cop the Glow Job, drop the glitter mask. I mean, they're so similar and you're paying a little bit extra, I think, for the brand name. In terms of peel off masks, if you still want that feeling, that soft, smooth feeling, then there's lots of other options out there that aren't quite the premium price because it's a little extra sparkly. I wanted to give you a little third alternate. This is the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. I've been really enjoying this, and this one is only $34. So if you're in the market for a peel off mask but you don't want to pay the premium price, then I think this is a great one to check out. But in general, peel off masks, I love them. They make my skin feel fabulous. And if you're looking for a little extra sparkle, I'm gonna go with Too Faced Glow Job. So that's about it for this episode of Cop It or Drop It. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up so I know to do more of these episodes. And let me know down in the comments if there's a product in particular that you want me to compare. You know, maybe there's some really high-end and low-end similar kind of eyeshadow or blush. Let me know your recommendations down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!